So here I have the Rockland single bike rack, so I'm going to go through a step-by-step installation video. I have everything laid out, opened and laid out here. This is going to be for the Rockland single bike rack, so it does have these instructions here. So I'll just be following this and show you the installation. So the first step is to install piece 1 and 2 together with the 4 bolts. Just going to attach those right here with the 4 bolts. So for step 2, we're going to take part number 3 here to attach to here. So we're going to do that by using these screws here. So we're going to slide it onto the rail here, just like that. And then we're going to screw that into here. Okay, so on to step 3. Next step is to take part number 4 here, and then we're going to insert it right into here using these. So one washer is going to stay on, then we're going to put this on, and then these will be on the other side. Okay, then for step 5, we're going to take this piece and we'll just slide it right onto here, and then you can tighten it up. Okay, so most of the installation is done, so now you just need to put it onto the hitch on your car. So I just lift it up, slide it in there, and then it comes with the pin and locking pin right there to lock it in place. So this is what it looks like when you have the pin in there, so it's nice and secure. And after that, you can install the ramp. To use the ramp here, all you have to do is hook it onto here. So, has the hooks there, just place it there, and then you can roll your bike onto the rack. And then you can install the ramp onto the rack. Just slide it in right here. And then you can use this locking pin here. Just put it into the hole there. And lock it up just like that. We'll secure the ramp right there for transport. So in the end, it looks just like this. It is nice and stable on there.